Hey there guys, so we are at Barbecue Nation right now. It's my birthday and so we just ordered a vegetarian barbecue for Vishal and myself, and here's what we have received till now. And this is crispy corn, Cajun baby potatoes and some veg kebab, and I have my plate of pani puri too. So that's something that we are looking forward to eat. And let me just show you the grill that we have in front of us. It's amazing. So I'll keep updating you what we are doing and what we are having, because from all the Barbecue Nation videos that I have seen, it's mostly non-vegetarian that's being eaten. So let's see what's there in vegetarian food too. So we have this whole array of sauces over here. This is a dahi and mint sauce. This is a chatpata sauce over here. Then we have our standard mayo and ketchup. So I'm just gonna start eating. I'm gonna go for the crispy corn initially. So let's see. I mean, I always love the crispy corn here. Heavenly. This is how crispy corn should be. What do you say, Vishal? How was it?
Perfect.
Vishal says it's perfect. Now I'm going for the Cajun baby potato, nice and soaked in that Cajun sauce. Tangy. And of course, how can we forget pani puri? I'm a pani puri fiend. I love chaat. I mean, if you have seen my Shankarabaranam food video, you know how much I like chaat. Let's have pani puri. Cheers, guys. So I'm now going to try the veg shami kebab over here. Let's see how it is. Oh, it's very soft. It's like a dream. It's crispy on the outside. It's really nice. I am going for the paneer tikka next. How pretty is that? I think I'm gonna go for the chatpata sauce with the paneer tikka. Super brave to wear all white today, aren't I? That's where it is. That's definitely where it is. The paneer is spiced all the way through, if you can see that. Nice and charred, spicy. I'm gonna go for the grilled pineapple next. So this is what it looks like. So like nice and charred one side. Oh, I didn't cook it properly the other side. But still, let's go ahead and try it out. It's nice and warm. I'll have it. Vishal loves his mushrooms, so he's asking me to have that. But let me try the pineapple first. Nice and juicy, very tasty. I like the marinade a lot. You do good Barbecue Nation. For the next one, we are trying the grilled mushrooms over here. Yeah. Don't worry, I'll tell your name. So, It's somebody else's birthday too. So here's the mushroom. From the time we've been here, I think, how many have we heard? Five birthday songs. So I know I definitely have five people I share my birthday with for now. So let's see. So I just got done with the pani puri and I've ordered a dahi papdi as well. I mean, I'm a chaat field after all. So we're just getting more stuff. And crispy corn is on a reorder. It's going on coming. So that's definitely something we enjoy. And as you can see, Vishal currently is trying to cook the mushrooms. They need a little more time on the grill, and my paneer tikkas are getting done. I think they're nearly ready, so I'm gonna have another round of paneer tikka. Yeah, I definitely recommend if you come. I mean, I particularly don't like the watermelon kebab kind of thing, but the grilled, yeah, it's a one-time try. You can just give it a try and check out if you like it or not. But I absolutely love the grilled pineapple. That's definitely something that you should try. It has that sweet, sour, savory combination going on, which is very, very nice. It's very balanced actually, if you see like that. So we also have this plate of salad with us, sprouts and stuff like that. Something healthy. So we just want to share that. Yeah, go ahead. Crispy corn. Thank you. So our waiter got us some chili paneer from the live counter. It's kind of smoky here because of the barbecue, I guess. Let's try how these are. Getting a lot smokier, to be honest. Let's give it a try. The paneer is a little tough actually. We'll give it a try. The taste is really nice, but the paneer is a little tough. But I'm pretty sure because it's deep fried, it gets a little tougher. So that's on the recipe. We've also received some dahi papdi right now. As you can see, it looks amazing. Let's just give this a try. Cold, soothing, refreshing. Something like this in the middle of a meal actually makes you want to eat more, and in Barbecue Nation you definitely need to come with an appetite. Oh, Vishal, give this a try. I know here it's going to be a little noisy. I couldn't even use my mic because I'm wearing a turtleneck. How is it? Nice, no? He also likes it. Barbecue Nation is definitely known for its great service. So our server also, I'm not sure if he wants to be named, is doing a great job here. So, I mean, they do keep annoying you with their questions, but it's out of the care that they have. So we just got the main course. I'm not sure if you are able to listen to me over the music. There's Believer going on. So let me just show you my plate. So as you can see, this is what my plate looks like. I know it's a mishmash of stuff. So I have a little bit of subs dum biryani, chili garlic noodles, one Manchurian ball. This is aloo gobi tomato. This is peanut salad over here. This is subs butter, if I'm not wrong, some butter vegetable sabji. This is a kofta, and you have a little bit of paneer butter masala. Talking of which, we have a butter naan arriving, and I've taken a couple of papad, and here you have the tomato soup. So let's try everything out and see how they are. I'm gonna go for the biryani and paneer butter masala first. But the paneer butter masala is a little sweet for me. I mean, I like my stuff a little spicier. Next is the kofta with the biryani. also not very sweet. Now let me have a piece of naan with the aloo gobi. I don't get why people don't like aloo gobi. It's like highly underrated according to me. It's something I absolutely adore. And the next butter subs or whatever, the veggie butter subs. That has a little bit of spice to it. I like that. Now let's try the chili garlic noodles and the Manchurian. I like the chili garlic noodle. The Manchurian, I mean, I don't particularly like Manchurian anyway, so I think that's probably the reason why I don't like it. And then we have the peanut salad. As always, it's really good. I completely forgot about the soup, to be honest. Yummy. Let me finish the soup, then move to the main course, and then I'll get done. So Vishal went ahead and got us some dahi puri. Let's give it a try. So I got myself some tail sadam, curd rice, without which my meal doesn't end. So yeah. And I have some manga urga or mango pickle. Why am I vibing the tail sadam though? Next up, it's desserts. So we are here with the desserts, and let me just give you a look. So we have the moong dal halwa, the gulab jamun. I think this is a rasgulla. This is a chocolate celebration cake. This is the chef's special cake. You have the brownie, and this is the rainbow cake. And this is supposed to be a roulade, butterscotch roulade or something. And then we have 3 types of kulfis that we are going to share. One is malai, one is pan, and one is rose kulfi. So we're just going to give it all a try now. I think we're going to go with the gulab jamun first. Really nice. I'm not sure. Vishal says the moong dal halwa has pistachios in it. I'm highly allergic to pistachios. So let's take a part which doesn't have any pistachios and just give it a try. Really nice. It has that graininess of moong dal which I absolutely adore. Next we have the chef's special cake. It's nice. It's a little on the drier side to be honest, but that's fine. It has syrup on top of it. I think that saves it. Then we have the chocolate celebration cake. It's absolutely soft and it's really nice. Brownie. Did you have the brownie, Vishal? It's nice. It has that fudginess that a brownie needs. Next we have the butterscotch roulade. I absolutely adore that mush food, and this is that mush food that soothes my soul actually. Next we have the rainbow cake. It has raspberry flavor. And finally we have the little rasgulla, for which the name is? What is the name of the rasgulla? Raspberry moti apparently. Tastes like a rasgulla, nothing new. And now we have the kulfis. First, let's go for the malai kulfi. Yeah. Next, the rose kulfi. Still like the rose kulfi. And then we have my favorite pan. Vishal and I always have the pan kulfi when we come to Barbecue Nation. It's really, really nice. So our waiter actually got me something made. So it's brownies, ice cream and kulfi probably. So it's all put together. It looks very nice. Barbecue Nation definitely knows how to make you feel special. So I had a really enjoyable time over here. It was a good date night with Vishal and the people who are very caring, the servers and the manager. They really wanted to know how to change and what can be added. So yeah, I really liked it today. So my birthday is being celebrated at Barbecue Nation. Have a look. This is going to be funny. Vishal, have a bite. So birthday being celebrated in Barbecue Nation this year.
It's
So this year was a good one. I really enjoyed my birthday today from morning till now. There were quite a few happy moments today and it's definitely a birthday I'll remember. Thank you for watching the video. Okay then, bye bye guys. See you in the next one.